Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, January 6th. As we continue exploring the practice of everyday mindfulness, I would like to talk a bit about forgiving yourself. Anytime you're learning something new, it's natural to become frustrated. You're not learning as quickly as you wish, you take 3 steps forward and 2 steps back, or you completely forget to practice one day. Not being quote unquote good at something is frustrating, which is why forgiveness and beginner's mind are such important parts of this journey. The path to mindfulness is not a straight one-way road. It winds, there are stop signs, and you may find yourself taking a turn you didn't expect. So remember to return to forgiveness and curiosity as many times as it takes. The exercises we're doing in this series will help you investigate your own experience. Clarity will grow. You will learn to respond with gentleness. But you will not be pulling anything in from outside of yourself. The practices work by cultivating that which you already have. Within your own mind and heart are the seeds of kindness, patience, wisdom, and awareness. So water the seeds and watch them blossom. Today, we'll do a practice that's called Who is Listening? In mindfulness practice, the focus is often on the feelings in the body and the thoughts in the mind. However, tuning into your other senses can facilitate a strong feeling of presence and awareness. Just as you can observe your breath as a basic mindfulness practice, you can also use the sounds around you as the object of your awareness. Sounds come and go throughout your day and offer a consistent focal point for your mindful attention, no matter where you live or what you do for a living. It's nearly impossible to remove all sounds. During this meditation today, we will investigate the experience of hearing. And you can also bring this practice into your daily life, pausing to listen closely to the sounds around you at any point during your day. So now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Allow your eyes to close or keep them gently open, gazing at one point. Now bring your awareness to the breath, but instead of focusing on the physical feeling of breathing, listen to the sound of the body breathing. Don't try to exaggerate the sound, but simply listen closely to any noises coming from the breath as you inhale and exhale through your nostrils. Now open up your awareness to the other sounds that are present. You may notice sounds of cars passing, noises within your home, maybe sounds from nature. Whatever is present, tune into that. The mind habitually recognizes what it hears. When a car goes by, you immediately know it's a car. Instead of identifying and defining what each sound is, try to focus on the actual experience of hearing. Imagine your ears as microphones, just picking up sound. Recognize the rising and passing of the noise. how far away it appears, and from what direction it's coming. You may find certain sounds to be distracting or even annoying. Noises like construction or people talking loudly can draw you out of practice, and that's okay. When you find yourself distracted, make the act of hearing part of your practice. Try to remove yourself from judgment or criticism about where the sound is coming from or what it is, and imagine you are hearing it for the first time, cultivating beginner's mind. See if you can remove language from the sound and refrain from immediately identifying the source of the noise. Notice any aversion that may arise, but don't resist sounds you cannot control. As one sound grabs your awareness, tune into it for a few moments. Experience the sound fully, and then open the mind again and listen for other noises. Hearing mindfully, continue listening, investigating, and opening up. Now return to the breath. Without forcing or straining, encourage the mind to collect itself fully onto the sound of the breath in the body. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. With gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to maintain some awareness of the sound in your life. Notice the act of hearing during your day, and let it draw you back into present time awareness. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.